Yo guys, Jason here, and these are the unreleased static Yeezy 350 V2s sent to me by footskicks.com. And first off, these smell amazing. The smell of new cars, new shoes, even money smells good to me, and these are no exception. But that's beside the point. Let's talk about these shoes. First off, let's do a quick unboxing. These shoes arrived to me just as you would get them if you ordered them off footskicks.com, which means you get a super fast delivery for the shoes in their corresponding authentic box. Yeezy boxes aren't really anything special. They're pretty clean, but nothing super out of the ordinary, and I already removed the shoe filler and tag from these shoes, so all we're left with inside are the shoes. Now that we got the box out of the way, let's look at the shoes themselves. Okay, first, let's look at that Primeknit. We have a pretty mesmerizing pattern of white and gray here, and it makes for a shoe that's still minimal, but definitely not plain anyway. On one side of each shoe, there's also a really cool transparent stripe, which is actually unique to the static colorway that no other Yeezy has. Also, the laces on this Yeezy have a really cool reflective pattern that I personally think looks really cool at night. Taking a look on the inside, we have the lace reinforcements for making sure this thing stays in one piece over time, the Adidas Yeezy text, and the good old 3 stripes on the back of the inside. The bottom of this shoe is a pretty familiar sight. It's pretty much the same as other Yeezys, but it's still clean and minimal nevertheless. So from a quality standpoint, this is a freaking clean shoe, and props to Footskicks for that. So if you're unaware of who Footskicks is, they're an amazing online shoe marketplace that sells a ton of different replica shoes, all at a steep price drop from the originals. Obviously they have Yeezys, but beyond that they have Ultra Boost, Jordans, and all that, so definitely check them out at footskicks.com. They're a really nice, honest company to work with, and they have incredible customer support, and payment methods they accept include PayPal, credit and debit cards, and Western Union, so that's great as well. The shoes take about 5 to 10 days via DHL to ship anywhere in the world, and all in all, they're a great company that's willing to do just about anything to make sure you're satisfied with your purchase. So all in all, these static Yeezys are awesome. Footskicks is awesome for sending them out. You guys are awesome for watching, and if you want to copy these shoes yourself, use the code AeriumTV for $10 off your next purchase at footskicks.com. So definitely check these guys out. Please subscribe to AeriumTV, and I will see you in the next video.